Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and I'll be showing you how I create a blowout look at home using the one-step Revlon brush thingy, this thing here. I'm pretty late on the bandwagon. I was a little skeptical about it, but after watching so many different reviews on it, I was like, hey, I'm gonna purchase it. So I got it. It's been a couple of weeks now and I think I've got the hang of it, and so I wanted to share with you guys how I style my hair. For leave-in, I usually use the Olaplex leave-in conditioner. It is amazing. I use the shampoo and conditioner for it too. My hair has been through a lot, so I need to do whatever I can to preserve it. And then I also add in any sort of heat protectant spray. So I'm all out of the dry bar one, so this is what I have left. So I'm gonna go with this one, and you're just gonna need a couple of these clips to section off your hair. Okay, so my hair is about like 60% dry. I'm just going to go ahead and put the leave-in conditioner in my hair. I only need like literally a little bit of this because this thing makes your hair hella oily. So I'm just gonna run that through my hair, mostly on the ends because my ends are the ones that are dry. And then whatever that's left, I just run it through my hair. My hair is fairly curly, but I've processed my hair way too much throughout the years, and now it's become that really weird frizzy poof ball. So, and I'm just gonna go ahead with some heat protectant. I applied a lot of this. So I'm trying to preserve what I have right now. And then I'm just gonna brush through my hair, make sure that there's no knots. Alright, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and section up my hair. I usually just do this freehand, so it doesn't have to be perfect. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my crown. And then the last section is basically the back part. I'm gonna split this section in two. I usually put it to low heat, but it's up to you guys if you wanna go ahead and do it high heat. That's completely up to you. I just wanna preserve what I have, and we have nothing but time right now, so I'm just gonna go with what I usually do. So it literally took me like 2 seconds to dry this off and have a mini little curl to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the next section. Split this section in two and then do the same thing. think you can still see up here all the little flyaways. Because like I said, I processed my hair a little too much, and there's a lot of breakage in my hair. I'm just gonna go again in with the Olaplex. I'm just gonna kind of smooth it on there. If I'm going out right away and it's a big event, I usually just kind of put some hairspray to kind of tame down the flyaways. But as of right now, we're sitting at home, we're not really doing anything, so I'm just gonna leave some of this Olaplex in it. And yeah, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the stuff that I use down below in the description bar. And yeah, I'll see you guys again in my next video.